Okay, so let's say I want to remove a fruit from this. Okay, if I want to remove a fruit, I mm, I am going to, let's just say, remove remove fruit, and I'm going to do this all inside the function. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I'm going to list my fruit. D items. I'm going to call that inside internally D items too. D items. Okay, so I'm going to list the fruit. So the first thing I'm going to do inside this function is I'm going to call this function. I'm going to pass it straight through. It's going to list the fruit because I want to show the people who are going to be using this what fruit there are. So it can list them. And now I want to ask them which one they want to remove. Item equals input, type the name of the fruit you want to remove. Now, normally I would have to be really careful here, right? Because I would want to check to make sure that the fruit they type exists. I would want to make sure that the case matches, all of that stuff, because otherwise I'm not going to get anywhere. I'm just going to be totally reckless today and just pretend that everybody's always going to type the name of the fruit correctly. So I'm going to say, now I'm going to remove that fruit. So we're going to use pop to remove that fruit, but we don't need to do anything special. Removed. I'm going to catch that. D items. Uh, um, pop. And then str item. And then print. We're going to print that as an F string. Str removed was removed. And then we're going to return, because we're taking the dictionary as an argument. We're going to spit a dictionary back. So return D items. Okay, so let's try this. We're going to watch remove fruit, and we're going to give it the fruit database as an argument. And what we're going to do is we're going to use what's called self-assignment. So we're going to say dfruit equals. And the reason we're doing this is because what we're going to do is we're going to say we're going to call this function, we're going to pass it this data. It's going to go through all this stuff. It's going to take one of the items out, and then it's going to return the new data without that item. And we want to put it back into that container. So dfruit always has the current copy of what we're doing. So after the fruit is removed, I'm going to list the fruit one more time to show that it was removed. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so there we go. Remember, the first thing it does is list the fruit, and now type the name of the fruit you want to remove. Apples. Oops, I forgot. It's going to give me back the value there when I write apples, but you can see it was removed. Oranges and bananas are remaining. So let's see. I should have said item was removed. That's what I want. Okay, so I don't really need to catch that pop, but I still can if I want to, um, if I wanted to have that. So I'll run it one more time. Apples. Now, if I run this and I type something incorrect or I type it all lowercase, then I'm going to have a key error because apples isn't in there. But we're not going to worry about errors this time because error catching for all of this and making sure that the input is clean. If you want to take that on as an extra challenge, go for it. But if not, don't worry about it.